Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Unathi. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my after school night routine. Tune in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 9,000 subscribers. So quickly before we get into the video, I wanted to talk about today's sponsor, 4chicks. So 4chicks is a beauty brand and they offer so many products like lash growth serums, eyebrow thickening serums, if you want anything like that. They sent me their lash serum and I've been using it. I'm obsessed, okay? But like literally my lashes have been looking cute recently and I've been able to wear my lashes out like more confidently without mascara, because I've always been like without mascara my eyelashes look bold. But honestly this has helped so much. So it's got such a nice applicator. I love the applicator. It's like, it's so easy to put it on your lashes. So you just one, okay, and literally that's it. So I've been doing this in the morning, adding it to my morning skincare routine and my night skincare routine, as you will see in this video, and I literally love it. I think this was like a month ago, a patch of my lashes just fell out. I literally I don't know what happened, but a patch of my lashes fell out. I don't know if you can see it now, but like here my lashes are like thinner. This came at the right time, okay? So I also have the packaging here with me and I just wanted to show you guys that it also comes with instructions here, okay? It comes with instructions on how to carefully and correctly apply the product. Also a really good thing, it comes with like, this is the card that it comes with. You can use this card to measure your growth, which I literally love. It was so unexpected, but it came with this and I'm so excited to use it. It comes with all the units here to measure your lash growth. Also 4chicks products are paraben free, sulfate free. They're also a vegan brand and cruelty free, so I literally love that. Definitely go check out 4chicks. I will have this product in the description box below and I will also have their website linked down below. They have so many more products for you guys and I would definitely recommend going to check them out. And yeah, once again, thank you to 4chicks for sponsoring today's video and let's get straight into it. So I've just made 3 slices of toast because girl I'm hungry, okay? Don't and then tea, because yes, it's a slay. I'm probably gonna have this and watch. I've been watching, okay, From Scratch on Netflix, but I finished it, so now I need to find something new to watch. Put some Netflix recommendations down below, because like I'm now like stuck because I don't know what to watch anymore. There's no good shows anymore. I finished all the good ones. Okay.
I'm crazy for you, losing my head, distorting my view, feet in the sand, just thinking of you.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I know. One night, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should. I might get my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. The
Okay, so hey everyone, I have just come out of the bath and now I'm going to do my skincare. I'm looking rough, but trust the process. So the first thing I use is this is the discoloration correcting serum from Good Molecules. It's so good. I definitely recommend it. I love it. I actually got this from PR, which I love, and I still have it now. But I didn't use it the first time I got it. Like, I was a bit scared of how my skin was going to react to it because my skin is very, very sensitive. But I've been using it for a while now and I actually really like it. So yeah. While we're doing my skincare, we're just gonna chat about my life and like low-key, I've low-key ghosted you guys. Like for the past maybe a couple months I've been like on and off with you guys and ghosting you guys, and like don't even talk to me about it because okay, my life is rough at the moment. So what I use to actually moisturize my whole body are these two. Don't cover me, but I also like using this on my face because I think it really gives my face the hydration that it needs. I probably should get a product that hydrates my skin, but like I haven't found it yet. So yeah, school has taken over my life. Okay, if you guys don't know, or if you're like new to my channel and don't know me, hi, I'm Unathi. I'm in year 11, so year 11's actually taking, yeah, it's making me go through it. And you know, as you can probably tell, your girl has not been feeling it. Okay, the next thing that I'm now going to use, I want to do the face mask, but before that I am going to apply. Obviously I have probably introduced this at the start of the video, but for chicks, I've been using this for a little while and I love it. I literally haven't even checked if I had like growth in my lashes, but it's basically a serum. I've introduced that at the start, so I don't know why I'm talking about it. But basically what I wanted to say was, yeah, a little life update for y'all. And the next thing that I'm gonna use is, this is actually not mine, but it's my sister's, but I've decided to use it. It's like a vitamin C brightening serum. I don't know why I'm putting all these products on before the face mask. You're probably thinking, Unathi, that's so dumb, but you know, YOLO. So I'm going to use this. It's by Garnier. I hope my skin doesn't react to all these products because I'll be so mad, but I don't think it will. I highly doubt it. But yeah, your girl's been going through. But my GCSEs end in my GCSEs start in 2 weeks from now. I'm very scared, but it's fine. They end in like about 6 weeks, so I guess I'll be fine. And then the next thing I use is my Carmex lip balm, moisturizing lip balm. I'm obsessed with this. I got it a couple days ago, and I literally love it. I love the smell of it. It smells so good, and it's not like lip gloss because like I'm a lip gloss girly, yes, but I also feel like being also an eczema girly doesn't go, okay, because my lips and my skin is usually very dry, and then my lips get like chappy and dry, and it's not a look. And lip gloss doesn't do anything, doesn't help me at all because it doesn't moisturize my lips. So I've been using this quite a lot. Also, I think what I'm going to start doing is applying this. If I want to put lip gloss on, applying this first since it's moisturizing, and then putting on a layer of lip gloss over this. Because lip gloss doesn't moisturize, it's just a layer. But if I have a moisturizing layer underneath that, then I guess it makes up for it in my brain. I don't know if that's how it works, but you know. Like I said, a couple days ago I went, not shopping, but whatever you call it, and I bought this from Boots. It's like, it's a vitamin C sheet mask with added vitamin C. Like, girl, let's see the actual mask, bro. Like, you actually have an issue with me. Vitamin C sheet mask, period. Ooh, it's very gooey. Oh, very gooey, y'all. Oh, no joke. I actually should not have moisturized my skin. I can't even. So this is the look. Period. You may call it silly, I call it fashion, okay? Period. I look, yeah. It's got so much goo, like, I don't know if that makes sense, but I guess it's like settling into my skin. But I don't, I'm just probably gonna vitamin C around my hands. Okay, get your vitamin C, guys. So while this is like setting in, I think you're meant to have it in for, I can't see because of my LEDs. Hold on. It says about 15 minutes, so I'm going to journal for that 15 minutes, or I might read a book. You know, I love having these self-care nights, and it's very important to do that in this stress that I'm going through right now. I can't take myself serious. It's fine if you can't take me serious while I'm saying this, but it's really important to have those days where you rest and just take care of yourself, you know? Like, it's really important to pamper yourself because you just feel good afterwards. And it's just such a nice process. Like, you feel like you're that girl and like you're the main character, and you are. So no, because genuinely I look scary. I look like, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I can't remember exactly what it is, but I'll put it on the screen and you guys can see the resemblance. Romanticize your life, y'all. Okay, because that's one thing I will always do. I'll romanticize everything I do, no matter what, okay? Even this. Hey, do you like my look? Do you like my look? She approves of the look, guys.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
I was testing my lung capacity.
What's that? Oh my gosh.
Not that.
Wait.
That said good. At least you're not average.
Yeah. What did you get?
I got excellent.
Oh. Try hard. Try hard. Okay. Guys, this is my sister. She got posted on my TikTok today, so she's feeling super famous. I'm joking. But she should feel loved because that's actually really big for me.
Okay, give me back my headphones. Bye.
I really thought I could take the thumbnail with this. I'm so happy I took a thumbnail when I was actually looking decent because I thought this would give self-care. It's giving
Cast to the ghost.
it's giving something else. Anyway, okay, so I know I said I would journal while this was sitting in, but obviously I watched TikToks instead of that. So we're finally gonna take it off. Oh, now we're looking glowy. Actually, it's rather oily. Oh yeah, it says massage into skin. So I guess the gooey stuff, massage into skin, but like it's really like just like wet and gooey. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I'm having a really hard time balancing my camera because my tripod is actually a bit faulty. low-key broken, because like when I try to balance it, what happens is it just pops out literally so easily. So I need a new one, because it's like it comes so loose, like it pops out so easily. And that's, I think, 2 of the feet. Only this one's fine, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this one's strong and fine. But like I need to check how much one is. I'm thinking of ordering one off Amazon. I'm not 100% sure, but I really think I need it because I can't film without a tripod. It's really hard to like balance my camera on certain things, and if I want to get like certain angles, I do need it.